Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and today we are breaking down a massive morning in the markets, brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Amazon is the clear headline today, jumping over 10% in pre-market trading. The retail and cloud giant crushed second quarter expectations, with Amazon Web Services growth accelerating to 37%, its fastest pace in over 4 years. Investors are breathing a huge sigh of relief as the results prove that the company's massive capital spending on AI infrastructure is actually driving meaningful revenue growth. On the flip side, we have Reddit, which is down about 15% today. While the company reported strong top-line revenue growth, investors seem to be reacting to concerns over future spending commitments, including an $880 million multi-year cloud contract with Amazon, alongside a potential fine in the UK. Apple is also seeing pressure, down about 8%. Despite beating earnings and revenue estimates, the stock is being punished for its cautious fourth quarter guidance, with management citing supply constraints and rising costs for memory chips. Meanwhile, AXTI is having a massive day, surging nearly 40%. The semiconductor materials company reported record results and an extremely optimistic outlook, fueled by demand for its substrates used in AI data center optical connectivity. Looking at the broader market, U.S. futures are generally higher this morning as investors digest the big tech results. The primary catalyst is that Amazon's report has effectively calmed fears about the return on investment for AI spending. This is providing a significant lift to chip makers and broader tech, despite the weakness in Apple. Overnight, global markets remain focused on geopolitical tensions, though there has been no major escalation in the Middle East. Looking ahead, the economic calendar remains light today, but investors are keeping a close eye on Treasury yields, which are hovering around 4.6%, potentially limiting the upside for risk assets. In the AI economy, the narrative has shifted from pure speculation to tangible monetization. After Amazon's cloud unit reported such strong growth, the focus has moved to how other firms are integrating these tools. We're seeing continued reports of companies like Meta looking to sell AI tools and compute capacity directly to businesses. Meanwhile, the regulatory environment is heating up, with the European Union establishing a new team to specifically monitor AI models for safety and compliance, and there was ongoing chatter in Washington about potential kill switch requirements for frontier AI models. Turning to other stocks in focus, we have a busy earnings morning. Exxon and Chevron are both reporting today. Investors are watching these energy giants closely after a volatile quarter for crude prices, driven by Middle East supply concerns. Eaton is also in the spotlight, moving significantly higher by nearly 8% after its latest report. In the utility space, Dominion Energy reported earnings this morning, topping analyst estimates as the data center boom in Virginia continues to drive demand for power. Additionally, Colgate-Palmolive reported mixed results. While the company saw revenue growth and an earnings beat, the stock is facing some headwinds as investors weigh its guidance against a difficult consumer environment. To wrap things up, the market is currently processing a split verdict on AI. Amazon has provided the validation that investors were desperate for, proving that the infrastructure spend is paying off, while Apple's guidance has reminded everyone that supply chain and cost pressures are still very real. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if there is a specific sector or stock you want us to cover next. And remember, for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai.